More Play-Doh? We could put some.
Welcome to Seattle's Play Garden, a different kind of playground.
The Play Garden is all about inclusion. So really the mission here is to create a space where every child, regardless of their level of ability, can come and play. And sometimes for kids who maybe have autism or Down syndrome or some mobility struggles or something like cerebral palsy, parks are not always very welcoming. They can be a little bit difficult to manage, whether it's because you're on wheels or because maybe you have an autism diagnosis and you need to be in a space that's fenced in so you can be a little bit safer. Everything's designed to be accessible regardless of how big you are, how small you are, whether you use wheels to get around, whether you use a walker, whether you use your feet.
And access to outside, rain or shine.
Our kids are outside and they just put on some good rain gear and some boots and they get to really experience nature in the garden and digging in the mud and splashing in puddles and not stuck in a really sterile indoor environment.
The Play Garden is one of 17 local nonprofits that successfully competed for funding from King County's Best Starts for Kids, an initiative created by Executive Dow Constantine to make effective programs like this available to more children, youth, and families.
It's been really important for Best Starts to really be creative and think innovatively about who we want our investments to go to, and recognizing that there are a lot of community-based organizations.
Community programs like U-Power, which offers free fitness classes to underserved kids all around King County.
So these latest investments are really about creating opportunity for young people to begin to understand what it is to be healthy and safe in their environments, with food, with activities, with exercise, and that they get to be a part of planning all of that.
How long have you had a sore throat?
Best Starts also awarded funding to open 3 new school-based health centers in Bellevue, Renton, and Vashon Island. The clinics help kids get health care and prescriptions, and even behavioral health services without having to miss school.
So the opportunity we have now is to be able to put those supports in place so that babies can be born healthy, so that children can thrive, and so that young adults can really be launched into the rest of their lives and be happy, healthy, successful adults.
Oh!